Are you waiting for a hip replacement or think you may need one in the future? Well, if so, all the research is telling us that prehab exercises, the exercises you do before your surgery, are as important as the ones you do afterwards to give you the best chance of a smooth recovery. I'm going to show you 6 of those exercises now so you can start doing them at home. Starting off with a straight leg raise to strengthen the quads, which will help support our hip. So you're just going to lift, hold it for a couple of seconds and then release it back down. You're going to repeat that 10 times, adding 2 more sets of 10 as you get stronger. Number 2 is a glute bridge. Feet hip width apart, pressing firmly through the big toe, baby toe and the heel, and then you're going to lift up using your bottom muscles and then relax on the way down. So this means that the back of the hip will be supported by strong gluteal muscles. Number 3 is a side-lying leg raise. Bottom leg is bent, top leg is straight. Imagine there's a wall behind you and you're just going to run the leg up the wall. You're going to lift it up, take it slightly back and lead with the heel up and slowly down with control. 10 to 15 repetitions, repeating as you get stronger. This is where you want to feel it. Number 4 is a knee raise. This is going to work the muscles at the front of the hip to get them strong. So we're just going to lift the knee perhaps a little bit higher than you usually would, and you're just going to pulse it like so. So you should really feel it in the front of the hip and the top of the thigh. Number 5 is taking the leg out to the side and back. Again, we're working the side of the hips, but we're also working the standing leg. You're going to find a neutral pelvic position to start with, so not overly arching or tucking the back. Find your neutral position, and then we're just going to take the leg out slightly behind, lead with the heel, and pulse it like so. You're going to do between 10 and 15 repetitions, and then switch sides. Number 6 is a mini squat. You want to keep your joints mobile and strong while you're waiting for your surgery. Feet hip width apart, and you're just going to take the bottom back, press through the feet as you come back up, driving back up using the hip muscles and the thighs. Again, you could do 10 repetitions, and as you get stronger, repeat 2 more sets. So you've got 6 exercises there that you can use at home. Perhaps try and do some every day. Good luck with your prehab. Remember, it's really important for a better recovery. I'm Maria from Older, Fitter, Stronger, and I'll see you soon.